Hello, so guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the new release game Hoyeon. So start. So as you can see in the video, you have to install the any VPN. So in this video I choose the urban VPN. So yeah, just install it or any VPN software that you prefer. Okay, so here let's just choose the free option. Accept label, skip, whatever. Then once it's installed, just select the Japan server. I mean the Japan region or country, and then just start the VPN. Once it's started, uh, yeah. Also, by the way, you have to install taptap. So once you install taptap, I just click the link on the description. So you can download the actual game there. So in the video, there, just install it, give the permission it requires, and then just wait for it. By the way, you can uninstall the VPN once the game is fully installed. So if you don't want any VPNs of your own device, you can do it. And installing. I'll try to release a PC installation guide as well. We find time for that. I find a lot of uh, people that wants to play it on mobile rather than the PC version when it's handy, of course. But by the way, the PC version is the graphics is so nice. Okay, here. So in the video, we can see that I already installed the game. So let's just wait for it to load. Once you start the game, it will require you to download another 8 gig, I think. Just there. So once you start the game, it will download another 8 gig files, and then after that, uh, well, you can skip this part and go to the, or you can just watch it. The animation is so nice. Uh, if you want to have the channel, you can watch it with me. All the links that I click and used here will be on the description of the video. So I'll post it there as well. I also uploaded a three-part video on a PC version. So I played it few hours. So if you want to check that out, you can also check the channel. You can see it there. It's a playlist. It's on 2K resolution, so it's quite good. The animation is good. And also the cute mount is good. Oh yeah. So it's finally okay in this screen. Just open server and then log in your you want Facebook. I will use my Gmail account there, and then just click whatever you. Once it's done, just select the server, play in, and then I hope it works.
참, 도천풍 단장님께 가는 길인데
Yeah,
유설님이라는
so I already played it
기사가
in
있어요.
the PC version. So I just get lucky. I get that character in the gacha. So if you want to see how I get it, you can check the other videos in my channel. I think it's the part. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and thank you again. Enjoy the rest of the video.